Yeah, you should jump from here. Go for it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Hello, good morning. Let's roll. The first stop of the day, Lugnason Falls. In the same location, you could check out Zodiac Falls, which are made of 12 small waterfalls. We stopped by and checked some of them out. Scorpio, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius Falls. They were nice, but we were eager to see the main waterfall. So, let's go. Yeah, you should jump from here. Go for it. Holy crap, it's beautiful. I don't know. Should I jump from here?
Yeah. You don't need to run.
Should I jump from over there or from right here? What do you guys think? Chop, you want to do it? I want to do it, but I'm terrified. Just 7 meters. That's okay, just 7 meters. Let me pull myself together, see if I can do this. We'll see right now.
Who's gonna do it? No.
My nephew's gonna do it. Let's do it, Chop.
Take off your
Hey,
glasses.
take off your glasses. You're gonna lose them in there. My nephew's gonna do it before I do. He's got the bigger balls right now. Yeah! How was it? Awesome.
Got a little hurt, but whatever.
Now I have to do it?
Yep.
Now I have to do it. All right. Whew, here we go. That was insane. My boy's about to jump. That was the biggest jump I've ever done. Holy crap. Yeah! Woo! We did it, my boy! She's going for it!
Now we can do anything.
Yes, we can do anything! Oh, amazing! Yeah, you did it, man! Yeah, you're the man! Man, I was feeling good. I was feeling invincible climbing up that waterfall. I feel the adrenaline rushing through my veins. I wasn't sure where to jump from, so Kim came running up the waterfall to show me how it's done. This time, it didn't take me long to jump off. I was ready. Those moments are so blank. Everything was silent. Alright, you're up.
That was fun.
Alright, I'm about to try that next. No. Chop lost his glasses. One of the locals tried to help us find it. I don't remember when you jumped in with the glasses. Hopefully he does find them. The water's really murky. I can't see anything. We tried looking for Chop's glasses, but we had no luck. There was no way we were going to find them. If anyone was going to find them, it was Luis. We spent about 40 minutes as a collective group looking around. Luis was having a hard time. We were about to give up. Yes!
Bye, man.
Woo! He found these glasses. Look at them. Those tiny little things.
Victory jump.
Hey! Thank you. Luis, the big hero.
Hi. Hello. Oh no!
Oh my god, no.
My spider.
Oh, fuck. No, I don't touch it.
Yeah, there's a cover. It's spider fight. Yeah,
I'd rather jump off the tree than have that spider crawl on me. Hell no.
Then we're gonna walk down.
Look at that. No, 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 no.
There's a lot of spider, big spider here.
No.
A huge spider.
Ah, fuck.
I can never do that. Oh my god.
Come to my mouth. I wanna eat this one.
No. Oh. Oh.
This is my food. Right.
He just put it in his mouth. Oh no. No, no, no. That's cool and scary. Kids are playing with it. He's not scared. I'm terrified.
There are poisonous spiders here.
No, that one is not a poisonous spider. That one is a poison. Yeah. Your spider down, you will be lost.
Oh damn.
Yeah. Ayo! We put amount a small bit, and if you win, you're gonna take the money.
Oh, nice.
Maybe 20 pesos every fight.
Yeah, that's new to me, Spider. That's cool though. Luis, we'll see you at the party, hopefully.
Yeah, see you there.
1, 2, 3. It's a video, guys. All right, we'll do a photo. Let's do a photo. I love sharing these beautiful places with you, and I hope one day you'll be able to visit them too. I want to take this moment to tell you, we can make a difference. Let's keep these beautiful places we visit clean. Whatever you bring in, please take it with you and dispose of it properly. Again, we can make a difference. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.